So earlier, the entire car was shaking, and I woke up, and look how windy it was. Look at that. The table's flipped over. The bumper is caught in the bush. What the hell? Today I want to work on the bumper. Like, we hit a ditch and rolled this under, so I want to pull that out a bit. And we have like some rust here, so we're gonna unrust that stuff. And yeah, and then I'll show you the bumper. I kind of have some ideas because it's not just gonna work. So as you can tell by the sun behind me, it's been a few hours and my bumper is even further down the road. I watched it kind of like lift in the air and flip over, so I'm not sure if it's even gonna be usable now. So yeah, hopefully my solar panel's good. Look at this. Everything just kind of... Okay, we just changed the oil and everything seems to be going pretty okay. So obviously this bumper is destroyed, right? Like no normal person is gonna try to fix this. They just buy another one or whatever, and then work on that and put money and time into that. Yeah, so that's fine. But we are going to do what we can because it's practice and fun. You know, we're gonna cut this thing up and hopefully make it look cooler. You know, it's just about learning and the experience. But anyways, I think there's a cool color coming, but I'm not sure yet. You'll have to tell me, but you'll find out later, because right now we're gonna primer it. Hello, beautiful person! Look how foggy it is. All the paint options. So the bumper obviously is completely destroyed. So I've been thinking about like cutting it up and at least for now just getting it on there. But I want to paint it and stuff. And you know, it's black, it's gray now, and the idea was to make it black to match kind of the hood. But I don't know. I'm kind of lost. I was like, you know what? Let's make it yellow, the whole car. But this stuff's color shift. So this will go from green to, I guess, a copper color. That'd be pretty cool. See, his tire's well balanced. Yeah. Just replace it. Yeah, just do it. Brand new. Really what I wanted to show you is like, look how balanced this tire is. Look at this thing. It's just sitting there. So proud of you. You're just gonna get dirt on them, but was this necessary? Was this necessary? Putting a sticker on here? So much work. I know they're not beautiful, but this reminds me of like how cool we got this like green aesthetic going on the car. Let me know if you like it. We're gonna start with this rust. So we masked off these subscribers, but we're gonna move Kawa. We're gonna move you like over here. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna move over there now. Okay, I got distracted and we're running out of daylight. So yeah, we have most of it. I can't see any more rust. Oh, there's rust right there. Never mind. Okay, yeah, there's rust here. I forgot these corners. But yeah, this one was pretty bad. It's crunched up. But yeah, I was able to pull that up a bit too, and hopefully we can check out the bumper before we run out of daylight. Just noticed something. Can you see it? It's pulled off of here. So I feel like if I line that up, like look, you can see it's connected here. Yeah, so it's connected there, pulled apart there. It's the same day. It's the same day, same video. You know, the day doesn't change till the video does. Hell yeah!
Oh, that's badass.
That's sick.
Yeah, get it.
Yeah. There we go. Hell yeah. So we lost the light yesterday. We were able to get the rust remover on the rust on the front end, but we didn't really get to do anything on the bumper. So right now I'm gonna try to clean it the best I can. We have this like vinegar water solution and some dirty rags. Okay, so this thing's pretty rough, like really, really rough. We've got these staples in there and it's cracking it. So, you know, obviously it was hit. That hole, this way hole, was from the bumper slamming against this crash bar. So obviously we're gonna do our best I can to keep it and make it right. So, I mean, it's not ever gonna be right again, but we're gonna do what we can to make it something. This side's completely destroyed, like completely destroyed. Luckily, all the subscriber names are on this side. So my plan, I think I said before, is to cut it, and, you know, like here. And since this crack is like right here, we're probably going to try to keep it on the left side of the seam, which means that's going to be hard with that one, but we'll figure it out. And then obviously the bottom there, super beat up as well. It's got a big split in it and it's cracking all the way down the middle. But what we want to do, you know, is get this, we might even cut the bottom lip off too. I don't know. I haven't figured it out. It'd be cool to make it look cool and do stuff, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. The other thing I want to think about is as we mount it, I want to try to straighten out that bar. And then eventually we want to get a plate, weld a plate or bolt a plate or something underneath it so we can protect the oil pan. Yeah, because out here is dirt and rocks. Okay, this is coat 1. You can see where I was heavy-handed. Obviously, there and other places. But yeah, I'm getting better, you know, slowly, but this is only like the 20th time I've spray painted something. Of course I wanted to fix the bumper. It's been super windy and I wasn't able to, so we're gonna keep trying to work on it and we'll reveal the color in the future. If you think you know what it is, let me know. I appreciate you hanging out with me today. Hopefully you're having a good day. If not, cheers to better days. Keep striving for your personal goals and I'll see you in the next one.